Grade 4, Module 6, Lesson 11 homework. Problem number 1. Plot the following points on the number line using decimal form. Alright, I can see that some of these are in fraction form, so the first thing I'm going to start by doing is converting them into decimals. Letter A. The first one says 6/10. The second one says 5/10, so I'm going to write that as 5/10 in a decimal form. The next one says 76/100. The next one says 79/100, so I'm going to look at that as a decimal. And the next one is 53/100, and the next one is 67/100. So now that I'm looking at them all as decimals, I can look at the number line, and I'm just going to go through and put each one in. 6/10 is going to be right here. It's already on there for us. 5/10 is already on there for us too. It's right there. 76/100, that's going to be between 7/10 and 8/10. They're in 100 increments, so I'm going to count up to 76/100. 71/100, 72/100, 73, 74, 75. Right here is going to be 76/100. I'm going to go back and erase these other ones so that we don't get confused on those. We're just counting. So I can go ahead and mark that as 76/100. And the next one is 79/100. So maybe from the 76, I can go up 77, 78, 79/100 is going to be right here. And that's right because it should be a tenth less than 0.8. Actually, hundredths less than 0 and 79/100. And the next one is 53/100. So I'm going to go back between my 5/10 and my 6/10. 53/100 is going to be right there. And 67/100, that's going to be between my 6/10 and my 7/10. We can count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 would be right here. And I'm just going to double check that by counting on 68, 69, and we're at 7/10 right there. Perfect. So you can write that in, 67/100. Letter B. I'll go ahead and start making sure that you understand how to get them all converted into decimals, and then you can find them on the number line. Letter B says 8 ones and 15/100. That's going to look like this. 8 ones and 15/100. The second one says 832/100. 832/100 is 8 and 32/100. 8 and 27/100, that's going to be 8 and 27/100. This one right here, 82/10 is going to be 8 and 2/10. And the last one, 8.1, or 8 and 1/10 is done for us. So you can go ahead and find them on the number line.